Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about how to get ranked on YouTube. I've learned a lot about what it takes to get your videos to rank higher in search results, and today I'm going to share those. Segment 1: Keyword Research. The first step to getting ranked on YouTube is to conduct keyword research. This means finding out what keywords people are searching for related to your video topic. You can use tools like Google to include them in your video title, description, and tags. In addition to including your keywords in your video metadata, there are other things you can do to optimize your video for search engines. This includes making sure your video is high quality, has an engaging thumbnail, and includes closed captions or subtitles. The more engaging and informative your video is, the more likely it is to get ranked higher in search results. Segment 3: Engage your audience. Engaging with your audience is also important for getting ranked on YouTube. This includes